Hello, we'll do a quick run through about how to clean and descale the Breville expresso. So all you do is, I've got some tablets out here and just got these off Amazon, and most of them should suffice. You've got that, and what I'll do is take the tray out, turn the machine on, take the tray out and take the small container, and you see the rubberized placement that comes with it, and it actually has a notched bit for a tablet. Place the tablet there and guys, replace this with that. Make sure that your water repositories fills, and so it says clean me. Turn it on, and once you've done it, I typically like to get a cup rather than just let it drain. So that's what I'm going to get. Get a large cup. Place it there. Now the key is to hold both of them, turn it off, hold both of them, and then press the power switch for 3 seconds, and the starter begins. So once again, hold both of these together when it's turned off, and then once it's turned off, you press the power switch and hold the power switch for about 3 seconds, and the machine begins. And you know that the process is started once the clean marker starts flashing, and you just let it run its course. Thank you. Cheers.